Hello, this is Dr. Curtis, and this video is going to be a walkthrough of linear algebras, uh, Math 337, Section 1. So it's a walkthrough of the syllabus. So let's take a look at your syllabus. Let's see. So, yes, Math 337. So we have that it is an online asynchronous course, which means that, well, I think I have a definition of asynchronous here. Take a look at that. So that's an online education that is self-paced without live real-time instruction. So you learn via videos and PDFs, meaning just like online textbooks, and in our case, the required book is a Zybook. It's an interactive book. So this is a traditional online class where students log in and work at times that are convenient to them, completing assignments by specific dates. So it's a fully online course, and there is no day and time that we are scheduled to meet, right? The only time we may see each other is on a Zoom meeting or something if you drop into my office hours, or we set something up as an individual basis. All right, so to the syllabus, let's continue that. So it's an asynchronous course. Let me click back, sorry about that. Okay, let's stick with this inner one. Yes, okay. So my office hours are Tuesdays from 3 to 4:30 p.m. and Thursdays from 11 to 12:30 p.m. There'll be Zoom meetings. It'll be online. My email address is Deborah_Curtis@bloomfield.edu. Secretary can be reached at 748-9000, extension 1313, or if you're on campus, she's in the Science Building or College Hall, room 238. The required book is a Zybook, Linear Algebra. Here's the ISBN number. You sign in by going to this website, learn.zybooks.com, and enter the code Bloomfield Math 337 Curtis Fall 2020, and then you subscribe. I think your book is probably $60. Let's see, your calculator is TI-84 calculator or something like that. You need a graphing calculator. It would be very helpful to have. It'll make the course a lot easier for you. I recommend that you get that. And also get the Zybook as soon as possible. It's an online interactive book. All right, so the goals of the course, you can read those. And what else do we have? The competencies, you can read through that. Student learning outcomes is what you can expect to learn. And the attendance, I will take attendance once a week. And I will just look and see, are you working on the Zybook? Are you doing the participation activities? If you do at least 3 of one of the sections, I will mark you here for the week, right? It's just to record that you are still in the class and still participating, all right? Of course, if you're having a hard time, I mean, the participation activities, I'll speak more about that in the weekly introduction, but because it's really just like looking over examples. You're just going to click on them, and you don't have to get it right or wrong. It's just reading along so you can learn the material. So if you have any issues, you want to post that in the discussion board, and I can look at that as well to take attendance. But I suggest going to the Zybook, clicking on at least 3 of those participation activities, but you should spend much more time, at least 4 hours a week, studying the material. Let's see, what else do we have? Note selling is not allowed. And we talked about the graphing calculator. You can use it on exams, of course, and homework assignments. Those are those participation activities, and you get 1 to 5 points based on, how much time you spent on it, and, correctness, things like that. All right, but and if it's very late, it would lose credit. But you just want to keep up with the homework. quiz policy. All the hourly quizzes must be taken when scheduled. No makeups are given. And I will drop the lowest grade, and there will not be a final exam. All right, so there are going to be 7 quizzes, so no tests. They're quizzes, right? This means that like not more than 10 questions, and so your best 6 of 7 quizzes, that will be 85% of your grade. And the homework, the participation that you have doing the weekly assignments, that will be the other 15% of your grade. Right? And you know how the grades are given here. This is the scale, right? That's standard for Bloomfield College. All right. Let's see. So support services, I mean, that was about registration. You want to read about that. Here's all the support services we have. You know, accommodations if you have some issues, or work study. There's tutoring, health services, any personal counseling, anything you need from the library. So it's a very good resource paragraph there. And the COVID-19 statement is just in case you're going to plan on coming up to the campus for any reason, you need to follow these guidelines. We all do. All right. Then you have the course calendar. All right, so this tells you from week to week what to anticipate. So I may not be completed with it yet. I guess in these spaces like week 5 and 6 to be announced. Okay, so I'm not completed with that, but I do have the first few weeks ready. All right, so actually that was what I wanted to say about the syllabus. And if you have any questions, you can let me know via Blackboard email or something like that, or post it on the discussion board. All right, so I'm going to now record the week 1 introduction. Thank you.